Wait, why isn't my Gatorade coming out? Is this machine broken? Grrrr. Well, it's broken now for sure.
Hey kid, did you seriously break my vending machine over getting some free junk food?
No, I was just raging when my food didn't come out.
You're obviously lying. I'm going to call your parents. What are your parents' phone number?
I'm not, and do you really think I would tell you?
Tell me or else I will call the cops on you.
Okay, my dad's phone number is 623555271.
Hello, your child broke my vending machine. Can you come pick him up?
Sure, I'm so sorry about my child not being able to control himself. Caillou just can't control himself, can he?
Hey, I'm not forcing you, but can you help pay for damages to the vending machine?
I don't have that much. All I can contribute is $50. I'm so embarrassed.
That's okay.
Caillou, we are coming home right this instant.
Wah.
Caillou, how dare you vandalize that vending machine? You are grounded for 9 years.
But I didn't do it. It was broken at first and I ended up kicking it super hard.
Shut up!